Setting of the new world record by Eliud Kipchoge is still causing a lot of excitement in various parts of the country, with both corporates and individual counties looking for creative ways of honoring his victory. And as Gabriel Kudaka reports, Nandi County has taken the cue by planning to name a planned for sports complex and the Kipchoge Keino Stadium in Nandi County after him.
Eliud Kipchoge's powerful sprint to the finish line saw him set a new world record that has excited the world and catapulted marathon running to a new era. And residents of his county in Nandi, also known as the source of champions, are still celebrating the historic achievement. The county government of Nandi seeks to honor Kipchoge in style.
Kipchoge Keino Stadium is just but the stadium itself. And what we want to do is to have the entire complex named after Eliud Kipchoge.
Kipchoge Keino in Kapsabet, we have Kipchoge Keino in Elred. So over time there is a lot of confusion. When it comes to sourcing for funds, even partners, when they come and they want to inject some financing or competition, they will always go to the one in Elred because it is more popular than us.
This announcement, however, has generated mixed reactions from athletes and sports officials.
Itasaidia kwa sababu wasungu watasema we want to see this place where Kipchoge is come from, na maybe tutapata facilities, tutapata sponsors because of that name, because he is the world record holder.
That is not the direction that the Nandi government can do. The other Kipchoge, Dr. Kipchoge Keino, is also a legend and is the father of athletes in this country. So there's always more opportunities for Eliud to be given, or the other things that can be given to him. You know, we have roads, we have buildings, so it's no problem.
A few years ago, some roads were named after former 800 meters Olympic champs Pamela Jelimo and Wilfred Bungei in honor of their sporting excellence. Day after Eliud Kipchoge set a new world record, several people seem to be honoring him differently, and the county government of Nandi seems to have taken a cue by naming this stadium after him. Gabriel Kudaka, NTV, Kapsabet in the county of Nandi.